All right, let's look at multi-dimensional arrays in Python. Now, it's not an array, like we said, it's a list. And these lists, remember I compared lists to train cars. Well, we've got to come up with a list, and we've got to put some values in it. And here's our list, what they want us to populate it with. So it can be a little cumbersome, but we're going to get through what we've got to get through. All right. So we need to check to see what's what within our list. And our list, we're going to call it age. Age equals, we'll open square braces. Okay, now the square braces, we're going to populate these things. Each of the columns is going to be, so the first one will be 30.00, comma, 60.00, comma, and we're just going to keep on going. And then once we get to the end of that one, we'll hit comma, create the next one. So, oh, I got this wrong. This should be 26, not 60. So I'm going to work my way down the list. So it's 30, 26, 24.00, comma, 22.00, comma, and 20.00. And then we come to the next one, will be 60.00. And you get it from that, from here. I don't need to call them all out, and we'll just keep populating this. So we've got that one. Will come down to the next. Open it up, 88. $60 and $50. That. And then we've got 115. Here we go with the last one. And 84. So how many dimensions do we have? We've got two dimensions. It has height and it has width. Okay, so we've populated it. Each one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. 5 values. All right. So now we need to say while age is not equivalent to quit, or 99, then we're going to go through this. And enter the age of the child. So we got the age. Okay. And we're going to ask the user to enter the number of days. Say days equals, and let's go ahead and put the prompt in there for them. Well, we want it to be an integer. So days equals int, enter the number of days. So that got the days for us. And we need to print the weekly rate. So we'll come down here, say print. I want to say weekly rate is colon space weekly rate is, and then I want after that going to a comma, let's see, rates days minus 1. Close that out, and the second index is age. Days minus 1 and age. So they've entered the age and how many days. And that printed out how much it is for the week. And they'll have to ask the next age. And this is our way to get out of this loop. And we'll use the exact same syntax. And then let's go ahead and test to see if it did what they wanted it to do. And it says we've got a problem. Let's go check and see where our issues are. It says I've got a problem on line 13. Oh, I forgot to declare days. And I also forgot a little bit there, input. And I'll wrap that up. So it was input. Let's test it. Little typos here and there, and we just got to go back and find out where our problems are, and they tell us. So let's see where we're at now. Says rates is not defined. Oh, I wanted to call this rates, not age. I'll go ahead and test it now. Let's see where we're at. Says we got 5 out of 5. It went through, entered the data. So I populated my list, rates, with 5 values, followed by another list, followed by another list. So I've got 5 lists. Each list has 5 items in it. It's a 2-dimensional array. and that'll let them get through it. As long as you don't enter 99, it'll keep going for you. And you can check the rates for the child's age. The child's not going to be 99 years old, so it's a great sentinel value for a child age. So you just enter in how old the child is. We store it in age. We're going to check days. So while age is a valid date number, anything other than 99, it'll let us get through there. And we're going to check the number of days. And it goes on through. Okay. We test it. We tested fine. So we'll go ahead and save that and submit it.